Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool, which will make you to write your research paper 10x faster. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and what are the important options available in them and how you can use that wisely for your research paper writing. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Litero AI. So here write papers up to 10x faster. So with Litero AI, ethical academic co-pilot that helps you to research, write, paraphrase and cite. So you can just click on try now for free. So after that it will ask this types essay, research paper, discussion post, literature review, case study, reflection paper and others. So for example, say I am going to write a research paper. So you can select a research paper here and you can give citation style whatever you want. There are three different options of citation styles are available. So APA 7, MLA 9, Harvard. So here I am going to click this APA 7. So length, for example, say I am going to give it as 3 to 4 pages only, and you can give number of sources as 10. So after giving all this, so just click on this option. So and then just click on continue. So after giving all this specification, so you have to give, paste or type all assignment guidelines, topic, structure and key points, etc. So for example, I am going to give a topic like this: machine learning algorithms and its applications. Start with, so you can give some key points. So I am going to give, start with abstract and then give introduction and classification of machine learning methods, and you can give what are the applications of machine learning, pros and cons in their respective field. So like that you can give an input like this. So if you have any paste the draft of your paper, if you are having any draft, so you can give the draft. So otherwise you can just give on skip. So here you can see that, so it will analyze the sources and prepare citations. So based upon that, it will give that is analysis, abstract introduction, classification of machine learning methods, applications of machine learning, pros and cons in the respective field. This will be the outline. So you can declare outline clearly. So after that, just click on continue. So it will analyze the sources and databases which is present in them. These are some of the databases which is found in Litero itself. So here you can see that. So these are the databases: selecting critical features of data classification based on machine learning, exploring the applications of machine learning in healthcare, machine learning in finance, machine learning algorithm for classification. So based upon that we have selected that 10 out of 10. So it is selected 10 references for this. So if you want to add some references, if you want to add your own reference papers, so here you will be having an option called click to upload. So you can use that option to upload your reference papers. Thereby that reference papers also will be added in your research paper preparation. So after that you can see that add links to articles, websites or YouTube. So if you come across any articles or websites or any videos related to your research work, so you can give that URL for that, and automatically that also has been updated in this respective research paper. So these are the steps we have followed: start, add guidelines, add your draft, check outline and choose sources. So after selecting all the sources, so you can click on generate draft. So it will ask mail ID. So you can mail ID or you can log in with your Gmail. So after logged in, so just click on continue. So automatically after all this analysis, so you can just click on generate draft. So Litero is analyzing the content of your sources. Your draft will be fully cited. So important thing in this type of literature review, preparation of research paper in this kind of tools is that it will made easy your research analysis progress, especially while making literature review. So you can try this kind of option in order to make literature review, so thereby you can get perfect idea how to make an literature review detailedly. So important thing is that don't stick to the sources that has been selected from Litero AI itself. So you can upload your own sources. So based upon these sources, it will generate perfect content for you. So here comes our content: machine learning algorithms, classification, application and impact. So first we have asked for abstract. So automatically the abstract for that particular topic will be given here. So and then you can see that machine learning, so that will be a introduction in a paragraph. So after that you can see classification. So machine learning has been classified in three main categories: supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. So respective citations are also added from the references, as we have asked for 10 references. Automatically the 10 references is cited in the respective places. So after that you can see that applications of machine learning. So across various industries, machine learning has become instrumental in driving improvements to both process and outcomes. So like that, for every research in medical domains, the respective paper is cited, and financial services, the respective paper, and then so for that respective applications, the paper is cited properly. So what are the advantages and disadvantages in the respective field? So that also will be provided. And the important thing is that the references in the format what we have asked for is also been generated. So this is the 10 references we have taken. So like that, so based upon this input what we have given, so this Litero AI will automate your research paper writing. So you can do the same for any of the articles or literature review writing also. So go on and explore this Litero AI with your own topics, and let us see how it will generate perfect answer for you. As it is generating from the web search, it is generating good references only. So you can try out and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you.